Alright guys, time to do all the way from the tip to the top. I'm just gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so recap, it goes tap, 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 and jump, 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 jump again, this groovy move, A, and then bring it back, down, hip, and tap, front, now arms, and in, arms, and in, and then jump. Now, let me explain the timing as well. So the music goes something like when you look yourself right in the, and then he sings I, or they sing I. This is where we do I, da 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 da, boom, na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Okay, let's practice. I'm just gonna sing when you look yourself right in E, and then we go I. Alright? When you look yourself right in the da 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 da, boom, da 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 da. Okay, let's try that again, just a tiny bit faster. I'm gonna sing. When you look yourself right in the ba da 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 da. Okay guys, just practice on your own if you need to, alright? And then you're ready, then let's move on. Alright, so mini section 4, let me just quickly show you what that looks like. So verse 3 was boom, then there's a transition, and then here the move is you want to bring your leg out, in, alright? So as soon as this is my left leg, goes in, you want to say tap up, alright? So it's this sort of activates it to go up slowly, alright? So I want to go boom, and boom, and boom, and boom, alright? So it goes pretty fast, but let's just practice a bit more slow. I'm going to go out, boom, down, other out, boom, down, other out, boom, down, other out, boom. Alright, so it's just switching your weight. Alright, we want to do 4 of those, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, just try and practice with me. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 down, boom, boom, down, boom, boom. Okay, now the arms and your upper body is just doing whoop, A. I kind of want to do some shoulders as well. I don't think they do it in the actual dance, but it looks better to me. So boom, boom, all right, and then you want to do the opposite. So you're swinging to the opposite side of where your leg is moving, here, and then in, way, yeah, and then if you want, you can do 2 down, boom, and then 2 up. Hey, that's what they do, all right? So let's just try and practice that move. We're gonna go A, 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 just a bit slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go boom, A, boom, A, boom, A, boom, A. Alright guys, last mini section. Just gonna do the last bit here. So right after we've done this part, 3, 4, you wanna bring this one down. I'm just gonna show you and then we're gonna break it down. Boom, A, zzz, and chop, chop. Now let me explain. So, this was the end of mini section 4. So what you wanna do here in the last one is just bring this one down to the side. Or you can also do it to the front if you want to, but let's just do it to the side. And then this one is just gonna step on the spot, and then you wanna bring this right one back in, all right? So basically what you wanna do is go out and in. Pretty simple, right? Just try it with me, just this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, out and in. All right, now we wanna do it to the opposite side. So we wanna bring this left one out and go out and in. It's basically what it is, yeah? So out and in and out, in. At the same time, you can do some arms if you want to. I just do roll. You can do whatever you want. All right, and then you can also bring some grooviness into it. What I do is I basically just bring it around out instead of just going out like that. I want to do sort of this special step out. All right, so you can incorporate your hip if you want to. A. All right, so it was this side, that side. Now from here you want to do a slide, and then your right arm is gonna go. All right, so slide, stop. And then from here, what you want to do is just go clap twice, down, and then release. And that's it. Okay, so let me just recap this last mini section here. So right after this was the previous one, boom, you want to say right and in, left and in, slide, clap twice, down, release. Okay, so let's try and practice that. We're gonna go slow. Let's just start from here, yeah? This was end of mini section 4. So the new part goes 5, 6, and 8, and then we're gonna go boom, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, right and in, left and in, slide, stop, clap, clap, down, release. All right, let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, right and in, left and in, slide, stop, clap, clap, down, release. Alright guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to top. I'm just gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so quick run through from here to the beginning. I'm gonna tap your heel 1, 2, 3. Now jump. Right knee up, left, right, groovy jump, boom. A, the other side. A, bring it back, down, hip, boom. Tap, left, tap, right, arms and in, arms and in. Now jump slide. There's a transition before we go whoom, A, whoom, A, whoom, A, whoom, A. Now out, in, other side, whoom, in. Now slide, stop, clap, clap, down, release. Now as for the timing, let me just quickly show you. It goes something like this. When you look yourself right in the ba da da da, boom ba na na na, ba da da ba da, ba da da da, da 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 da. Yeah, yeah, boom ba da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Tap, tap, boom, boom. It's the on piece, the last one. Alright guys, let's just try it out. We're gonna start slow. Ba, I'm gonna sing when you look yourself right in the Ba, sorry. When you look yourself right in the ba da da da, boom, ba da da da, ba da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, yeah. Boom ba da 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 da. Boom boom. All right, let's try that a bit faster. Ba. Sorry. When you look yourself right in the ba da da da, boom ba da da da, ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da. Yeah yeah, boom na na, da 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 da, da 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 da. Alright guys, now I just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast, okay? I'm just gonna do it one last time, normal tempo, alright? So, it goes something like this. When you look yourself right in the ba da da da, boom, ba na na na, ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da. Yeah, yeah, boom, ba na na na, ba na 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 na, na 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 na. So that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Permission Dance by BTS. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.